SASS, and of course I'm here with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this bag insert that I got from Amazon to fit into my Marc Jacobs mini tote bag, okay? So I'm not sure if it's going to fit in my Marc Jacobs mini tote bag. Everything is trial and error. As you can see, it's still in the package. It's not open yet. Before we get to this video, of course, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more uploads from me, your girl. How is everybody's new year? Mine have been going well so far. I've been spending a lot of time just, you know, doing some self-searching, knowing what I want out of life, who I want in my life, just thinking back on the things that I'm not going to tolerate in my life and just changes I want to make for myself for the new year. So I've been doing a lot of that. Okay, as you can see, this is the bag insert right here. So I got an insert that matches close to the color of my bag. As you guys know, if you guys watched my Marc Jacobs unboxing video last year, I got like this blue, like, I don't want to, like, doll blue, jeans blue bag. Unfortunately, the bag inserts didn't come in that color, so I got something close to it, which is just this nude color right here. Hang on. Ooh, so this is it. This is it. I'm just taking the elastics off. So that's how it comes. It comes in two pieces, it looks like. So this is the first mini piece. It looks like this sits inside the bag insert. This is a little pocket right here. This is the actual insert that I'm gonna be opening right here. Okay, so let's try and see if it fits into my bag. So just before I get into this, the insert looks nice, but it looks kind of cheap. It has a little Velcro on the side. It has a Velcro inside here, so this middle piece can stay in place. So let's go get my bag. So guys, as you guys remember, this is my mini tote bag. I'm just gonna take all the stuff out of it. Okay, moment of truth, guys. The bag is empty. Let's see if it fits. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. I'm just trying to open the bag insert all the way. It fits so perfect, guys. As you guys know, like, the mini tote bags do not come with any pockets inside. There's no really different compartments. It's just one big hole. And for me, I don't like being unorganized. Like, I don't like things being thrown in there. This is how the bag insert looks, which is why I decided to get a bag insert. I'm just gonna insert this one. Okay, so that's how it looks inside. Like I said, I got like this nude color to kind of go with the bag because there wasn't any blue. I'm now currently putting in the middle pieces of my bag. Okay, so that's how it currently looks like. This is the side of the bag. So let's see what fits in it. So even though there's like even a little space right here if you want to put outside of the bag insert, but right now these are all the compartments. You have, can you all see? You have this. These are the two side parts right here. You have this middle piece that I just inserted right here. You have some other stuff right here. So let's do this. Let's do this. So I have my main Kate Spade wallet that's in there. I'm gonna actually put this at the side here. Okay, do y'all see that? I'm trying to open this bag so y'all can see it properly. Okay, so I have that. Y'all know I gotta put my favorite LV 6-ring keychain. Let's put this at, first of all, let's close this. Put all my keys here. We're gonna put this, one of these side pockets here. Okay. That's how it looks. I have my cellular device. I'll put that right beside the 6-key ring right there in that pocket there. I got this little change purse from Vegas. I love this, is where I keep all my change in. We're just gonna throw that in there as well. Y'all see what's going on. AirPods. I'm gonna keep this right in the middle here so I can see. I got my car keys right here. Put that here. really carrying much in this bag because I'm currently carrying my Telfeezy bag around. Can't wait to show you guys what fits in it, what I've put in it. These are my chargers, my charger for my phone and my charger for my watch. Usually I have my electronic case, but I don't have it. It's in my other bag. Last but not least, my planner of the year. Gonna throw that in there too. Okay, not much. I don't have much. A lot of things fit in there, but this is how it looks so far. Very functional. As cheap as it may look to me, it's very functional. It's a very functional bag. I'm actually happy that I got it. So now I can be organized and I still have enough space. There's a pocket, empty pocket right there. And then this is where my calendar for the year is, and it still has a lot of space to put other things in there, okay? And then there's still space, 2 pockets here. So there's a lot of space. Oh, I love it. Okay, guys. Alright guys, we are to the end of my video. That is it. I just want to show you a quick video on my bag insert that I got from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. They do have different sizes, but I just thought it was a good idea to show you guys the bag insert that particularly fits in the Marc Jacobs Tote Bag, okay? Like when I was like doing research and searching about like certain bag inserts, they always went to, oh, it fits in the LV Speedy 30 or something like that. And there was not really much on Marc Jacobs. So I decided it would be a good idea to do a bag insert review, particularly for your mini Jacobs tote bag, which is right here. This actual size is the size medium, okay? This is the size medium that fits in the mini tote bag. That's what I ordered. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below in case you're interested. They do have other sizes up from the medium, but this is the medium bag insert that I put into my mini Marc Jacobs tote bag, okay? And it fits perfectly, as you can see. Like I said, a lot of space, very functional. It comes in different colors. Like I think there was like a red, there's a black. I kind of wanted something close to my bag, close to the bag color, which is why I picked like a nude beige color. But yeah, there you have it. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like I said before in the beginning of my video, to see more uploads from me, your girl. We're gonna have so much fun this year, 2023. And of course, I'll be back with another video, okay? Peace out, guys.